What's up YouTube, JL folks from Road Angler TV. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am in Iva, South Carolina at Lake Secession doing an early morning fishing. It's about 6:15. The sun just came up. It's been a couple years since I've been out here fishing, but usually I do pretty good out here on this lake. I got a bunch of good lures tied on. Should have some fun. I'm with my buddy Tyler. He's getting set up over there. And yeah, should be a good time. Y'all stay tuned. All right guys, we are on the water. I'm here at this bridge. I don't know what I'm gonna throw. Definitely want to throw some top water this morning, but I do want to throw around this bridge. I'm sure there's some fish. Last time I was here, speed worm did really well, so I'm gonna give it a go. I don't know what the depth is right here. Yeah, it doesn't seem that deep in here, so I might crank a little bit by this bridge too. I don't know. I haven't really got anything tied on to fish this bridge, but while we're over here, might as well, right? That's a good cast right there. That kind of felt like something. No, that's just real shallow. There's a fish. Oh, he was swimming with it. He don't got it no more. He let go of it. God, he let go of it. That's a fish. Oh, he let go of it too. It must be like some dink spotted bass. Fish. There we go. That's a good one. Oh, you see that? I didn't set the hook good enough. That was actually a pretty decent one. That's a fish. There we go, finally. Didn't feel that big. All right, there's a spot. All right, first fish. It's been a minute since I caught one of these spots. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. On the speed worm. See, I knew they would be along this wall because there's a lot of shade by it. So that's what's been nipping at my worm this morning, those spots. That's a fish. Can you get it? Can't tell if he's got it. Oh, he's got it. There we go. I think it's another spot. It doesn't feel that big. There he is. Ooh. All right, guys. Got our second fish of the day, another spot. Let him go. I got a bass. Woo, let's go. All right, bud. Damn, that went into his eye. Oh, there he goes. You see that? Yeah, he whacked that crankbait right by that bridge. Like whacked it, man. All right, guys, welcome back to day 2. Yesterday, me and Tyler were out on Lake Secession, and it was like 94 degrees out. It was like a crazy heat wave, and we only lasted till like 10 a.m. So today, we're actually out here on a pretty awesome creek that connects to Lake Secession, and we've never fished here before. We've never really explored it, but it looks pretty good if we go upriver. And yeah, so we're just gonna do some exploring today and hopefully get on some fish. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, we are officially on the river. Haven't done any river fishing in this boat yet. Well, we're on the creek. But yeah, some little pockets in here. I've got 2 lures tied on, a Ned rig and a whopper plopper, which I think will be perfect. And then Tower's got like a rooster tail and a speed worm. So I think between those two, we should be pretty good. I haven't seen any signs of life yet. Like no activity with fish or anything. But I'm sure they're in here. I would assume that probably most likely spotted bass in here. I'm not too sure with it being South Carolina. But really right now, what I'm trying to do is just cover water. Some of these look like beds in here. Yeah. I bet if we were here a month ago, it would have been bomb. It's like, that's a little pocket over there. a cool little creek. Yeah, dude, this is a lot better than I thought it'd be. I haven't really seen any fish, though.
Yeah, but that might be where everyone fishes down near the... We might get them more away.
Ooh, that felt like a bite. Oh, I got a fish on. First cast with the Ned rig.
Damn.
Yeah. What is that? Oh, it's that little bluegill. Little sunfish. Heck yeah. I don't think I've ever caught one of these on a damn Ned rig before. Heck yeah, man.
Show it to me.
Yeah, hold on. Oh, you ate that?
Oh, you swallowed it?
Nah. Okay.
Nice.
Cool deal. That was first cast with the Ned rig. That rooster tail, I bet you can catch him on that. All right, y'all, we went up river and it pretty much just kind of like, it's pretty shallow with a bunch of log jams. So we're gonna go ahead and head back down river. There was some pockets that we missed along the way that we're gonna hit. I'm gonna toss like a Ned rig in them. And we're gonna go the other way past where we put in and see what's that way. So y'all stay tuned. That's golden. You're gonna get one, dude. You got one?
Something hit it.
You got one? Heck yeah. I knew it.
A little tiny thing.
Nice.
Is that the same one you caught?
It's a little smaller. The one I caught was actually pretty big. There's probably another one in there. That's creek fishing there.
That's cool.
All right, YouTube. Well, I had an awesome time on the water today. It was more of an adventure day than a fishing day. I was able to get on one fish. I caught a nice little sunfish, and my buddy Tyler caught a sunfish too. We were able to find some fish and some pockets and stuff, but it seemed to be like a bunch of small fish. So next time we come, it may be a little better. It was just a little too shallow this time around. If it was a little bit higher, the water, then it would have been an awesome float because there were some great little rapids and stuff. It was just a little too shallow. But anyways, thanks for watching the video, guys. I'm going to be heading back to Tennessee in a couple days. I'm here playing a festival tomorrow and going on the radio and doing a couple things here. And then I'm going to go fishing around 4th of July at Watts Bar Lake and around there. So So I should have some more videos coming out soon. So y'all stay tuned to the channel and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. All right, peace.